Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to my 12th devlog. There's a lot of minor changes, bug fixes, and overall improvements. The first thing you can hear right now, there's ambient noise now. I didn't manage on time to add the background music, but I have the song already and it will be here in the next devlog. If I don't forget to add it, like I did many features I promised before. But now you have to figure out which ones that were. The buttons also now have sounds. And I changed the design of the character editor. I will probably change it again. We still have the same scene, but I had to rework the system, how the dialogues work, because there was a crash and everything was gone. But now the characters have more personality to them, because I decided for a style how they talk. So there are a bunch of new improvements around here. I changed a lot about the UI, like the building menu now looks different and handles way better. We also now can hide and unhide and as well pin a building if we want to build it. This is important because we moved away from the blueprint based building with set locations and can now free build everything. Bob will now show us how this goes. Come on, Bob. Move faster. Maybe find some boots somewhere. Bob also now has sound, which you hear in the background. Bob, what's that? No, put it away. The people don't look. Yeah, just hide it somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna fix this later. And now the scenes don't trigger automatically anymore, which means you need to talk to people. And if you want to know when you need to talk to people, they will have two different exclamation marks over their head. The yellow one you just saw, as well as a blue one when you have talked to them already and want to repeat what they told you. You will also get a little indication in the bottom right, which you can see around the playthrough here, like here, new blueprint unlocked. And there is a lot of notifications that now will be played. Now we can pin this building. Bob, pin it. Thank you. We can pin it and look for the parts we need. They are of course hidden in the shipwrecks. The shipwrecks now also don't spawn into the mountains anymore. I fixed this by just moving the spawn closer. In the bottom right you see that the warp speed was upgraded by finding some boots. And now Bob can build the little building here. The good thing is that later you will have a lot of support by adding people to your little kingdom or your little island. The worklings will do all of the hard labor, except building buildings. That's something you will do a lot. Come on, Bob. Not many parts left. Yep, and just the platform. Come on. There we go. This is also now a free build, as you see, with the red lasers. Everything's cooler with lasers. Now Bob tells you that he is not impressed with your building, but I will hold for now. And this is where the quests currently stop, because now we need to fill the workshop with different materials, and that's what I'm currently working on. But if we have this, then the gameplay loop is pretty much done. Well, it is done, actually. You can find the X, which will also give you a little message on the bottom left, the bottom right, not on the bottom left. We need a raft. Now I want a raft. Can still chop wood and put it into the workshop. Workshop menu still needs a little rework, as you see. It still has the old design, but you see that there is a little wood icon now. It shows you how many of the logs you have. That's about it. Yeah, thinking of other stuff I did. Well, I reworked a lot. A lot of systems had a proper rework and an optimization. We got like 20 frames back. 20 frames per second by me just optimizing code. There's something I should do more. So yeah, Bob, if you don't have anything to say, oh, that's what I thought, then we're done for this week. We have still 2 weeks left, which will be done with finishing the campaign and polishing primarily. Oh, where are you going? You don't need to explore the island, people have seen it. Yes, I blocked this way, so you don't run up there. Yeah. Alright. Don't steal everything you see. That's a really little well, we need to fix that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun, I hope you learned something. If you liked my video, like, share, subscribe. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.